The world of reality television thrives on emotional journeys, family drama, moments of triumph, and heartbreaking setbacks, and few shows have embodied this formula more clearly than TLC's 1000 LB Sisters. Over 7 seasons, audiences have followed Tammy Slaton and Amy Slaton as they navigated the highs and lows of extreme weight loss, bariatric surgery, and the complicated dynamics of their personal lives. Tammy's story has often taken center stage because of her turbulent health struggles and her eventual breakthrough with bariatric surgery. But as Season 7 seems to bring her most difficult chapter to a close, with Tammy's bariatric journey largely accomplished, many fans wonder what's next. For a show that has consistently delivered dramatic storylines, comedic moments, and raw family conflict, the possibilities for future seasons are endless. 6 potential storylines stand out as particularly compelling directions the series could take following Tammy's transformation and recovery. These storylines not only build on existing narratives but also open new doors for the series to maintain its cultural relevance and emotional weight. One of the most obvious future directions revolves around Tammy's life after surgery. Viewers have seen her battle with weight for years, from her near-death hospitalizations to her triumphant ability to finally qualify for bariatric surgery. Now that her procedure has been completed and her transformation is ongoing, fans will be eager to see how Tammy adapts to her new lifestyle. Post-surgery life is not simply a matter of losing pounds. It requires constant dedication to strict diets, exercise regimens, and mental health adjustments. Relapse is always a possibility, and Tammy's personality, known for moments of stubbornness and vulnerability, could make the journey uniquely challenging. Cameras could follow her into this new chapter, documenting how she rebuilds her independence, learns to maintain healthy habits, and balances her evolving self-image with the expectations of her family and fans. Amy Slaton's personal journey is another storyline ripe for deeper exploration. The younger sister has already undergone her own bariatric surgery and has faced the additional pressures of motherhood while navigating her changing body and public image. Her storyline often weaves between comedic mishaps, heartfelt family scenes, and moments of frustration with Tammy's struggles. Now that Tammy is healthier, the spotlight may shift more toward Amy and her growth as a mother, woman, and reality star. The possibility of her exploring new career opportunities, further weight management challenges, or even turbulent relationships could provide a wealth of material. TLC has never shied away from showing Amy's raw emotions, whether in tears of exhaustion or moments of joy with her children. This balance between humor and heart could give Amy a stronger central role moving forward. The wider Slaton family has always been a critical part of the show's fabric. Siblings like Chris and Amanda, along with other relatives, bring layers of conflict, comic relief, and genuine support. Chris's own bariatric surgery journey was a highlight of previous seasons, and Amanda's outspoken personality has made her a fan favorite. Exploring how these family members adapt to Tammy's transformation could keep the series engaging. For instance, Chris may continue his focus on weight management, providing a mirror to Tammy's efforts. Amanda could take on a more protective role in keeping her sisters accountable. The Slaton siblings are at their most entertaining when bickering or teaming up to face external pressures, and our ability to make even mundane moments funny means that their inclusion will remain vital. Relationships have always been a driving force of drama in the series, and Tammy's romantic life is likely to remain a hot topic. After the ups and downs of her marriage to Caleb Willingham, who tragically passed away, Tammy's path to healing and possible new love interests will intrigue fans. Romance in reality TV often provides both emotional arcs and messy drama, and TLC audiences crave both. Whether Tammy finds herself dating again or chooses to focus entirely on herself, her choices will resonate deeply with viewers who have watched her struggle for self-worth for years. Similarly, Amy's relationship status and potential future partnerships could spark new storylines, especially if they conflict with her responsibilities as a mother. The sisters' love lives have never failed to stir fan discussions, and post-surgery Tammy navigating romance could become a focal point of later seasons. Another storyline the show could pursue involves the Slatons' broader journey into fame and how they manage their growing influence outside of reality TV. Social media has played a major role in keeping fans updated on Tammy and Amy between seasons, with TikTok videos, Instagram updates, and live sessions offering glimpses into their real lives. This digital exposure opens questions about how the sisters manage online criticism, newfound celebrity, and opportunities beyond the TLC cameras. Could Tammy or Amy pursue business ventures like fitness brands, books, or online personalities? Will their fame cause more family tension, especially if not everyone is equally comfortable in the spotlight? Documenting the sisters' navigation of fame could bring fresh relevance to the show, connecting with younger audiences who follow reality stars online as closely as on television. Lastly, the potential for generational storytelling adds another dimension. Amy's children are growing up in front of the cameras, and their presence could become a larger part of the narrative as they reach school age and begin to develop their own personalities. While the show must tread carefully to protect the children's privacy, TLC has historically found ways to integrate family dynamics without exploiting the youngest cast members. Seeing Amy balance motherhood with personal growth, and how her children respond to living with famous relatives, could provide heartfelt and occasionally humorous subplots. Additionally, Tammy's evolving role as an aunt could show audiences a softer, nurturing side of her that contrasts with her often combative on-screen persona. All of these storylines converge around a central question: what is 1000lb Sisters without the weight loss struggle that originally defined it? The answer lies in the family's ability to pivot the focus from purely physical transformations to emotional growth, relationships, fame, and generational change. The Slaytons are naturally entertaining because of their humor, candor, and unpredictable interactions. If TLC leans into these qualities while still addressing health-related themes, the show could easily remain compelling even after Tammy's bariatric journey concludes. For fans who have invested years in the sisters' lives, the opportunity to witness what comes after the hardest battles have been won may be even more rewarding. It transforms the series from a medical survival story into a more complex portrait of family resilience, love, and reinvention. In the end, the future of 1000lb Sisters depends on its willingness to evolve. Tammy's bariatric journey may be nearly over, but her story is far from finished. Amy's path as a mother and woman is still unfolding. Their siblings bring energy and unpredictability. Romance, fame, and generational shifts offer endless opportunities for drama and heart. Reality TV succeeds when it reflects real life, and life for the Slaytons continues to be anything but simple. Whether TLC chooses to focus on post-surgery challenges, family expansions, or the sisters' navigation of fame, fans will be watching closely, eager to see where the journey leads next. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000lb's YouTube channel for more update news.